Hi and welcome back to my channel. So as you know, I've uploaded some videos. Now I'm trying to make things out of paper which is called origami. So one of its bases I'll make it today. So I'm gonna make a paper ball today. So you have to take any paper, means mostly if you can prefer origami paper, but I don't have it, and who don't have it, they can take a page out of a book or take a A4 size sheet and start doing it. So I don't have the square paper. Origami means square paper, everything from square. So first you have to make this into square. So see this, you have to fold a triangle out of it. Okay. Now fold it. Yeah, now so see this, I folded this. Now you have to tear this portion, this is excess. Tear this excess part. It's a bit tricky, you have to be very careful. Now see, I've come to an end. See, now this paper we have to keep it aside. Now open this flap up. See, you'll get a square paper. Now it's the steps. Now follow the steps to make the origami ball. Now as you can see, there's a line scored over here. Now you have to end the points which are connecting the lines. Now see this. Now you have to open it. Now it looks something like this. Now means you have to score 2 lines across this. Now there's an X. Now here's the tricky part. You have to take, there are 4 triangles. Now in those 4 triangles, you have to take the side 2 triangles. Fold first this one here. Score the line. Fold this one here and score the line. Then see, those are the main lines. Now you have to take it over here. Take these both together in one line over here. Can you see? This is like this. Yeah, now it's done. You have to take these 2 triangles and push it down. Now see, you have got these 2 sides with pokies. So now you have to take one side and pinch it up. Okay, up, not to the other side, but you have to take it and put it up like this. So till I'm doing this, just you can subscribe to my channel and please do like this video. So see, 2 sides are done. Then you have to flip it over and do the same process. So I'm done with my 4 sides. Now here you can see there are 4 sides more. So you have to take this part and put it in the middle. Do it 4 times with 4 corners. Now flip it over and do it again. Now see, I'm done with my 4 sides. Now you can see these coming out and this coming out. So you have to take this, and first you can see a gap in between this. So you have to take one and put it in the maximum you can. Not very much, but lightly. So open this place. Now we have to open the other side and do the same thing. Push it in. Now you have to flip it over and do the same thing again. I'll tell you it 4 times. You have to open this, put this in and close it. Open this, put this in and close it. Now press it hardly. Now you can see 2 ends. Now but you can see one end opened a bit. So as we have made it, it's ready. Now see, there are 2 points. So check which is more pokey. So don't touch the pokey side. As you can see this. It should look like this. And the upper part you have to blow. You have to blow the upper part. See, it's looking like this. And it's looking the same at the back. Now it should look like this, and the upper part you have to blow it. Now see, you have to blow it. Okay, so it's a bit difficult. If you are not able to blow it, you have to tear this part. The part which you're blowing, you have to just tear it lightly. See this? I'm tearing it because I'm getting a difficulty to do that. Now see, I've teared it. Now I've torn it. So now I'll blow it. And see here, we are with our paper ball. You can have fun with your paper ball. You can play with it in any time. If you're free, you please do make sure. See this, you can play like this. And if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it and watch the other videos in my channel. Thank you and bye bye.